Ever missed a text because your iPhone sounded just like everyone else's? Not anymore. Customizing your iPhone notification sounds is easier than you think. Promise. For all generic app alerts, start by opening Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, then Default Alerts. Browse the tones, tap to preview, and tap Default Alerts again to save your pick. Easy, right? If you want to spice up system apps like Messages or Mail, in Sounds and Haptics, select Text Tone or New Mail. Choose a new sound, grab one from the tone store, or even pick none for peace and quiet. Want a special sound for your favorite contact? Head to Contacts, select the person, tap Edit, then Text Tone. Super personal. For third-party apps, go to Settings, tap Notifications, pick your app, then Sounds. If there's no sound option, the app uses your default alert tone. Bummer, but at least you tried. Bonus tip. Check out Haptics to change vibration patterns and adjust your volume slider so you never miss a beat. Now your iPhone's as unique as you are.